In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Etsy messages safely and securely, ensuring your transactions remain within Etsy's trusted environment. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or just getting started, these tips are essential for protecting both your business and your personal information. First, let's talk about what to do when you receive a message from a potential buyer. It's crucial to check the sender's profile carefully. Look for any red flags such as newly created accounts with little to no activity or feedback that seems too good to be true. Be especially wary of profiles that don't provide a lot of information or seem hastily put together. These can be indicators of suspicious behavior, and trust your instincts if something doesn't feel right. Moving on to the content of the message itself, scrutinize it for any suspicious links or requests that seem out of the ordinary. Fraudulent messages often contain links that, once clicked, can compromise your personal data or infect your device with malware. If a link looks unusual or the message contains requests for payments outside of the Etsy platform, it's best to steer clear. Remember, all official Etsy transactions should occur within the Etsy platform itself to ensure you're protected by their security measures. Now, a critical step in safeguarding your personal and payment details is to keep them strictly within the confines of Etsy. Never, under any circumstances, should you share sensitive information like your payment details or personal data outside Etsy's platform. Etsy has built-in features to handle these securely, and stepping outside these bounds could expose you to potential risks. If you receive messages encouraging you to conduct transactions away from Etsy, ignore them. These could include requests to move discussions off the platform, which is a common tactic used to attempt to scam sellers and buyers alike. By keeping all communications and transactions within Etsy, you retain the layer of protection and assurance that comes from their established systems. Finally, if at any point you suspect a message to be suspicious or feel uncertain about the nature of its content, report it to Etsy immediately. They have a dedicated team that handles these reports and can take the necessary actions to protect you and the Etsy community as a whole. Promptly reporting these messages ensures that you remain protected and helps maintain the integrity of the Etsy marketplace. By following these steps, you can continue to engage with buyers safely and confidently, knowing your business and personal information are shielded from potential threats. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay vigilant out there.